Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a big shout out to the Oral-B Genius. It's one of my favorite electric toothbrushes. You guys, electric toothbrushes, if you haven't made the switch from your manual, you totally need to. It can be up to 300% more effective for removing plaque along the gum line. You are definitely going to want to make that switch, and the Oral-B is a great option for that. It's not just going to clean all of that plaque from your gum line, it's also going to keep your gums safe and healthy. This has a really amazing advanced technology feature that's going to keep you from brushing too hard. Putting too much pressure on our gum line can definitely do damage to the gums. You don't want to do that. And this has a really smart sensor that's going to slow down the speed of your bristles whenever you maybe are pressing a little bit too roughly against that gum line. So it's going to protect your gums, not just keep them clean, it's going to keep them safe and healthy as well. This has your smart timer, so you're making sure that you're brushing each part of your mouth equally. This is going to have a lithium ion battery, so your battery charge is going to last for a long time, and it's going to charge really quickly as well as being really durable and long lasting over time. You're not gonna have to worry about that battery degrading and breaking down and not being as good. You're gonna get that even clean every single time. This also has 5 different modes of cleaning, so it's gonna have everything from your intense whitening modes all the way to gentle clean. So regardless of what your needs are, this brush is going to have the perfect mode for you. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super glad that you did.